Everyone's talking about the law of attraction, but what if I told you you're using it completely wrong? Yes, you've been misled, and it's holding you back from manifesting the life you really want. You see, most people think the law of attraction is all about positive thinking and visualizing what you want. But here's the harsh truth. That's only scratching the surface. Just repeating affirmations isn't enough. If you're not aligning your subconscious beliefs with your desires, you're sending out mixed signals to the universe. No wonder you're stuck. The real secret? It's not just about asking. It's about feeling and believing like you already have it. People like Oprah and Jim Carrey didn't just imagine their success. They believed they were already successful even when no one else did. That's the difference between attracting and just dreaming. And here's the other mistake. Action. People leave this part out. The universe responds to energy, but you have to move toward what you want. Sitting around and hoping won't get you there. So stop using the law of attraction the wrong way. It's time to change your mindset, trust the process, and take action. Your dream life is waiting for you, if you believe and act like it's already yours.